Cut din update, yung sa post ng Netflix Philippines, ang benta pa nga ng punchline ni Alden Richards, sabi nga dito, anong sabi ng nanay na donut sa baby donut na nasa puno? Anak, barbarian. Ito yung video.
Anong sabi ng nanay na donut sa baby donut na nasa puno? Anak, Bavarian.
Ito pa. And picture ng cut din during shooting ng Lola Again sa Canada. Ayan. Sa post ni Kyle Esguerra, paid months of the year, sabi niya, na nakasama niya ang captain, siyempre, ng August. Ito post ni Tim Yap, interview niya si Catherine.
Hello, love again.
I think the fans, all the fans, hello, who are waiting for the movie. I will see you guys soon to say hello again this November 2024. So
Sige na.
watch out for that. Few more months na lang.
Any teaser about your film? What should we watch out for?
Many things. But siguro, one thing na kailangan nila abangan, of course, is the storyline. Same team from Hello, Love, Goodbye, but this one, it's gonna be different. Characters have grown as well, and so are we, the actors. So hopefully makita nila yun sa movie. And I don't want to set any expectations muna. Basta I'm just happy with the storyline and sa mga na-shoot namin. So you have to watch out for that.
Tapos pinakita rin kay Catherine yan, yung sa cover niya, yung drawing. Yung sa magka-drawing sa preview magazine. Pipirmahan niya ni Catherine. Tatanungan niya sa birthday ni Dr. Ivy, ayun pa nga si Catherine at Nadine Lautrec. Ayun, moments. Sila Catherine at Nadine at Dr. Ivy. So, nag-enjoy dyan si Catherine. Kasama ang Ivy Pam. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para updated po ang future reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.